What a wonderful day to every one of you. I am so happy because today is Sunday. Alam niyo po ba, Sunday is always the best day of the week because this is the time for us to worship the Lord, and it is so wonderful indeed to worship Him. You know, ang word for the day is actually about we find rest in the arms of the Lord. The Bible says that come to me all who are weary and I will give you rest. So, totoo po yun, ano? Ang tunay na kapahingahan ay matatagpuan lang natin sa Diyos. Many of us have been so busy in so many things, ano po? At minsan hindi na natin ah, ma understand completely kung ano nga ba yung rest. Sometimes we rest on buying so many things